In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete home feed history on Pinterest. If your Pinterest home feed has started to feel off, stuff you don't care about, recommendations that miss the mark, the quickest fix is to clear the activity Pinterest uses to personalize your feed. Pinterest calls this your home feed history, and it's made up of the pins you've interacted with, searches you've run, and topics you've shown interest in. Clearing it won't delete your boards or saved pins, it simply removes the signals that steer recommendations so you can start fresh. First, open a web browser and go to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust. On the Pinterest homepage, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Settings and Privacy with a gear icon. Either way, that's the one you want. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Refine Your Recommendations and click it. This area controls how Pinterest tailors your home feed, including options tied to your past activity. Next, open the home feed history controls. Here, you'll see a list of the interactions Pinterest has been using to shape your feed. To wipe everything at once, click Turn Off All. Pinterest may ask you to confirm. Approve the prompt, and your home feed history will be cleared and turned off, which stops that past activity from influencing what you see going forward. After you do this, your feed may look a bit generic at first. That's normal. As you browse, search, and save items you truly like, Pinterest will relearn your preferences and your feed will quickly become more relevant again. If you change your mind later, you can come back to this same page to review or re-enable recommendations based on your activity. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. This action doesn't remove any of your boards, pins, or follows. It also doesn't delete private data outside of your recommendation history. It only affects how your home feed is personalized. If you don't see the options described, refresh the page or check back after updating your browser, since layouts can vary slightly, and Pinterest adjusts menus from time to time. On the mobile app, you'll find the same controls under Settings as well, though the wording or placement may differ slightly. Give it a few minutes for the reset to reflect across devices. That's it. You've cleared your home feed history and reset your recommendations. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more relevant Pinterest experience.